nice. Oh. Is that your peephole there or what?
I see you.
Yeah. It officially begins today. Well, it kind of already began, but because we had a bunch of deckling to remove off the doors and fenders and stuff, but that's them. That's where we got the car from.
Yeah.
There's a substantial list of things that we're going to be doing with the 93 Supra. As you can see, it used to be a drag car. These were on the back. Now we got some really ugly 20-inch, whatever the hell those are. She's got the Lexan windows, carbon fiber trunk,
Carbon fiber hood.
carbon fiber hood.
Aren't the doors?
Doors are carbon fiber. Chromoly full racing cage. And that's about it. There's nothing else on this car. There's literally nothing. So I'm converting this to a drift car, and then I might make it street legal at some point. I might put the effort in, but I'm not sure. It'll be a long process.
This thing's gonna be one hell of a drift car, though.
Oh man,
This thing's gonna be raunchy.
with how light it is. Of course, there's 0 in the engine bay here. Lots of room for a nice 2J setup, except we're not going full 2J for now. A cheaper option. We're doing a 1J block with a 2J head and just making a high rev motor. So we're gonna start with sanding this thing down. We're gonna push it out of the garage. Hopefully it doesn't rain, and yeah, give her a good sand. But that's the gist of where we're starting today.
Yeah,
Well,
and it begins.
Yeah, and it begins. Lots of work. Well, there are some things that have been ordered. I mean, I've already ordered. We got our list. The soupy ordered the rims. We're doing this. The spoiler has been ordered. I have not ordered headlights and taillights, but I do need to do that as well.
Yeah.
But
That's not bad.
yeah, and we're going with like a really basic black, just a full black, like one stage paint that my buddy used actually to paint the engine bay of my Eclipse.
It looked really good.
It did look really good. So we're just gonna do this whole thing in that, nice and cheap. And then I've got some white rims coming. They're gonna look pretty slick, I think. I'm not a big like white rim kind of guy, but this is gonna look pretty cool.
Ooh,
Anyway, Matt, let's get started.
Yeah!
Look at that easy windshield displacement.
Hello.
Hello. I guess I didn't mention that the plan was to remove the Lexan windows and put actual windshields in. You can't even see through this shit anymore. It's pretty old, and I could care less for Lexan. That's just personal preference. The driver's door windows, though, not sure if I'm going to replace those ones because the amount of hardware you need inside the door, I might just leave those. I don't know. I know for street legal you would need normal windows, but yeah. Anyway, oh, the other thing I forgot to mention is that I've ordered a body kit as well, which was the Extreme Dimensions kit, except I had to mix it with, they didn't have the side skirts anymore, so I had to mix that with another brand. I can't remember which brand, but so we're taking the side skirts and the rear bumper off. Front bumper was trash when we got it, so I just tossed it. Yeah. Oh, another thing I've also ordered, not that it makes a difference right now, but I've ordered the angle kit, like the drift angle kit. That's coming out of New Zealand. Really want to get drifting in this biatch.
Yeah.
But look at the work that's got to get done.
Oh.
No pedals. I mean, like, quite honestly, nothing in this car. Nothing.
Yeah.
Not even a drivetrain. Like,
There's lots of.
there's a lot of work. Oh, and no, I wrote that on there, I think. The brakes? No, I didn't write that. No, the brakes are on the way too. A big brake kit on the front.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Maybe it'll surprise you. Maybe all of it'll get going, and
we just keep slamming her out.
I don't know.
I don't know either.
Depends on the motor and.
Yeah. Okay,
mean-
so here's another part of the story that we haven't really discussed yet. I got this car from my tuner, who tuned my Skyline, and this car set quarter-mile records, Canadian quarter-mile records for fastest car in Canada, fastest Toyota, I think, in Canada for however many years straight. It was a 7-second car. Crazy. There's a bunch of videos on YouTube about it and stuff. Force Fed Racing had it and raced with it. But anyway, that tuner is also building the engine for me now because he had a bunch of leftover parts and stuff. And I don't know, it's kind of cool to convert it into a drift car.
Yeah.
To go from that's like the polar opposites, from drag to drift. And yeah,
Keep her going.
keep her going, keep the dream alive. This thing's just gonna keep on rolling. Anyway, get back to standing, Matt.
Get back to standing.
Get to landing. All right, so
I need a ratchet.
he needs a ratchet. It started to rain. I don't know if you could. Yeah. So we had to pull her in. We stopped our sanding processes. But yeah, rain here. So we're gonna pull this bumper off, the tail lights, and then we'll look at getting these side skirts off. Then we're pretty much just down to sanding. That's it. So let's do it. What a project.
Yeah. So dude, when this thing's done though, man,
Oh,
it will be quite the drift car.
in case anybody's wondering, this blue cord that goes up to the handle up there, that was the parachute, which we took off already, sitting right there.
Parachute!
I don't really think we need a parachute for drifting, but
It'd be
hey,
tight. It might look cool.
if you come into that one corner too hot, just slam that handle.
See you later, bumper.
This is what happens when someone lays on way too much clear coat.
That's nice.
Yeah, so that, oh, it's even got the original Toyota, like, styrofoam. The old crash styrofoam that'll save you in a rear ender.
Yeah, that's gonna see.
Hopefully that's gonna do her. I'm gonna grab the heat gun.
Too big.
Sheet, eh?
She might. I said it was a 6.
See, yeah, this is what bugs me. You have a functional, like, brake vent, air vent, to cool the brakes, and you make side skirts that don't accommodate that.
Well, yeah, but I guess for a drag car, you don't really need it. But
Yeah, that's true. That's true. But they still design body kits without it. I guess it's personal preference, you know. No judgments here, you know. That's one side.
what did the new ones you ordered? Does it have that?
Yes, they do.
The vent?
Yeah. Now, it's a good thing it did, too, because I was unaware that these actually had the air dam for that. But now we know. Done.
Side skirts.
Well, she's ready for the new kit. Got our windows out. Progress has been made, Matt.
Yeah.
Progress has been made.
It's making.
Just got to finish sanding when she stops trinkling out there.
Drift in it. And...
Yeah, I need that spoiler too. You can't, I don't know how people can operate Supras without a spoiler on it. But again, this had different reasons for being on the road originally. So, yeah. Anyway.
All in good time.
All in the lots of good time we're gonna need for this one. Well, we'll get the sanding done and then we'll talk to Buddy about getting some primer on her and then potentially just getting it sprayed once the body kit's here. All right. So, is this the first thing that's shown up for the Supra? The very first thing?
Well, one tire showed up.
Oh, that's right.
One tire out of the 4.
Yeah, one of 4 tires showed up the other day. So, today I get a package and I ordered some 19-inch white rims to match the one tire that I have for the Supra. And that's what they sent me. It's a new shade of white.
Yeah.
So
I think somebody's colorblind.
it's not a good start. The very first thing that we order. So anyway, I just happen to have a buddy that does a lot of auto body and painting, and I just got to scuff them up and send them over to him. But you know, some people would just send them back, but I don't have the patience for that. Although I guess you could have more patience for this, but I feel like sending things back is more of a pain in the ass. I don't know.
Just give them a really good review.
Yeah, a really good review. Sanded. But the one tire that did show up is a beautiful Firehawk Indy 500. And is this the 285, I believe? Yeah, 3519. We've also got our new set of OEM headlights for the Supra. So some things are filtering through now that we've got the highways open and we're not surrounded by water anymore.
So now, so that's the tire you're going to use for drifting?
Well, again, beginner drifter here. Did some research on some good, drifting tires, and these ones popped up in the top 10 on a couple different websites. I was like, yeah, whatever. They're cheaper as far as performance tires goes, so figured I'd try them. Why not?
Yep.
So we'll just go with it, and then we'll be doing a lot of learning along the way.
Oh, it's gonna be fun.
It is gonna be fun. You know what else is gonna be fun? A couple of these bad boys.
Oh,
One for Matt. Actually, here, I'll open it for you.
oh shit.